Today, organic farms span thousands of acres, rivaling their conventional counterparts in size and production capacity. These organic giants are changing the face of American agriculture, challenging the notion that organic farming is limited to small-scale operations. The evolution of organic farming from small family plots to industrial-scale operations didn't happen overnight. It's been a gradual process, driven by increasing consumer demand for organic products and advancements in sustainable farming techniques. In the early days of the organic movement, farms were typically small and diverse, focusing on local markets and direct-to-consumer sales. But as organic products gained popularity, farmers began to see the potential for scaling up their operations. The growth of organic acreage in the U.S. over the past 2 decades has been nothing short of remarkable. According to the USDA, certified organic farmland increased from just over 2 million acres in 2000 to more than 5 million acres by 2021. This represents a 150% increase in organic acreage, reflecting the shifting preferences of American consumers and the adaptability of farmers. California leads the nation in organic production, with over 965,000 acres dedicated to organic farming. States like Wisconsin, New York, and Vermont have also seen significant growth in organic acreage, particularly in dairy production. Even traditionally conventional farming states like Iowa and Nebraska are witnessing a surge in organic corn and soybean production. But managing thousands of acres of organic farmland comes with its own set of unique challenges. Unlike conventional farms that can rely on synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, organic farmers must find natural solutions to pest control, soil fertility, and weed management. This becomes exponentially more complex when dealing with vast acreages. Crop rotation, for example, is a crucial practice in organic farming to maintain soil health and naturally manage pests. But on a large scale, this requires meticulous planning and coordination. Imagine rotating crops across thousands of acres while ensuring each field receives the right nutrients and breaks pest cycles effectively. Water management is another significant hurdle. Organic farms often rely on more water-intensive practices, such as mechanical weed control instead of herbicides. When you're dealing with thousands of acres, efficient irrigation becomes not just an environmental concern, but a logistical challenge as well. Labor is perhaps one of the most pressing issues facing large-scale organic operations. Organic farming typically requires more manual labor than conventional farming, particularly for tasks like weeding and pest control. Finding and managing a workforce large enough to tend to thousands of acres of organic crops is a constant struggle for many farmers. These challenges, however, have spurred innovation in the organic sector. Farmers are developing new techniques and technologies specifically designed for large-scale organic production. From GPS-guided precision farming equipment to advanced biological pest control methods, the face of organic farming is evolving rapidly. But size isn't the only hurdle these farmers face. Let's dig into the soil and uncover their daily battles. From dawn to dusk, organic farmers engage in a constant dance with nature, balancing the needs of their crops with the principles of sustainable agriculture. While organic farmers navigate many challenges, there's one that keeps them up at night. On these sprawling fields, a silent war rages every day. The combatants? Farmers armed with nature-based strategies versus an army of tiny invaders that threaten to devour profits whole. Welcome to the high-stakes world of organic pest control. Pests are a constant threat to crops, whether organic or conventional. But for organic farmers managing thousands of acres, the challenge is amplified. Without the ability to use synthetic pesticides, these agricultural giants must rely on nature's own defenses and innovative techniques to protect their harvests. The restriction on chemical pesticides in organic farming isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a game changer that forces farmers to completely rethink their approach to pest management. This limitation, while challenging, has led to the development of fascinating and effective natural pest control methods that work in harmony with the environment. One of the most widely used techniques in large-scale organic farming is the implementation of beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites are released into fields to prey on harmful pests like aphids and spider mites. On a massive organic farm in California's Central Valley, millions of these tiny allies are deployed each growing season, creating a living, breathing defense system that spans thousands of acres. Another innovative approach is the use of pheromone traps. These traps emit scents that mimic the natural pheromones of pest insects, luring them away from crops and disrupting their mating cycles. In organic apple orchards across Washington state, pheromone dispensers are hung from trees in a carefully calculated grid pattern, creating a protective barrier that can cover hundreds of acres with a single application. Farmers are also turning to nature's own pesticides. Neem oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, is a powerful natural insecticide that's effective against a wide range of pests. On large organic farms, it's often applied using sophisticated sprayer systems that can cover vast areas quickly and efficiently. Similarly, diatomaceous earth, a fine powder made from fossilized algae, is used to control crawling insects across expansive fields. But perhaps one of the most intriguing developments in organic pest control is the use of sound waves. Some innovative farmers are experimenting with devices that emit specific frequencies to repel pests or disrupt their feeding patterns. While still in its early stages, this technology shows promise for protecting large areas with minimal environmental impact. The effectiveness of these methods on a large scale is a testament to the ingenuity of organic farmers. While they may not provide the immediate, knockout punch of synthetic pesticides, these natural approaches offer sustainable, long-term solutions that protect both crops and ecosystems. So, how do organic farmers combat pests without using chemicals? Through a combination of biological controls, clever traps, natural substances, and cutting-edge technology. It's a complex dance that requires constant vigilance, adaptability, and a deep understanding of ecological systems. But for these farmers, it's a challenge they're more than willing to accept in pursuit of healthier food and a healthier planet. With pests under control, you might think the battle is won. But in the world of large-scale organic farming, there's always another challenge on the horizon. As we move from field to harvest, a new question arises. How do you ensure consistent quality across thousands of acres of organic produce? Let's explore the next piece of the organic farming puzzle. You've seen how organic farmers wage war against pests, but their next battle might be even tougher. In a world where consumers expect picture-perfect produce, how do these agricultural giants deliver uniformity without sacrificing their organic principles? The answer lies in a delicate balance of tradition and technology. Maintaining consistent quality across thousands of acres of organic farmland is a monumental task. Unlike conventional farming, where synthetic fertilizers and pesticides can create more uniform growing conditions, organic farming embraces natural variability. This variability, while beneficial for biodiversity and soil health, presents a significant challenge when it comes to producing the uniform fruits and vegetables that consumers have come to expect. Organic farmers must navigate a complex web of factors that influence crop quality. Soil composition can vary dramatically across a single field, affecting nutrient availability and plant growth. Weather patterns, from unexpected frosts to prolonged droughts, can impact crops differently depending on their location within the farm. Even beneficial insects, a crucial part of organic pest control, may not distribute evenly across vast acreages. To address these challenges, large-scale organic farms have developed sophisticated quality control measures. Many employ teams of field scouts who regularly inspect crops, monitoring for signs of disease, nutrient deficiencies, or pest infestations. These scouts use a combination of visual inspection and portable testing equipment to assess plant health and soil conditions in real time. Technology plays a crucial role in maintaining quality across large organic harvests. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras fly over fields, capturing detailed images that reveal crop health patterns invisible to the naked eye. This allows farmers to identify problem areas quickly and take targeted action. Some farms use AI-powered image recognition software to analyze these drone photos, automatically flagging potential issues for human review. Soil sensors are another technological tool in the organic farmer's arsenal. These devices, placed strategically throughout fields, continuously monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. The data is transmitted to central management systems, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation and organic fertilizer application, ensuring optimal growing conditions across vast areas. GPS-guided tractors and harvesters have revolutionized precision farming, Even in the organic sector, these machines can adjust their operations based on detailed field maps, applying organic amendments, or harvesting crops with remarkable accuracy. This precision helps maintain consistency in crop management practices across large acreages. Balancing quality with quantity remains a constant challenge for large-scale organic farms. While technology can help identify and address issues, organic farming still requires a holistic approach that sometimes prioritizes long-term soil health over short-term cosmetic perfection. Farmers must often make difficult decisions, such as whether to harvest a crop early to avoid pest damage or wait for optimal ripeness at the risk of some losses. So, how do organic farmers ensure consistent quality across large harvests? Through a combination of vigilant human oversight, cutting-edge technology, and a deep understanding of their land's natural rhythms. They embrace the variability inherent in organic farming while using every tool at their disposal to minimize its impact on final product quality. As we've seen, maintaining quality in large-scale organic farming is a complex dance of nature and nurture, tradition and innovation. But once the crops are ready, a new challenge arises. With quality assured, it's time to bring in the big guns, or in this case, the big machines. How do you harvest thousands of acres of delicate organic produce efficiently and without compromising its integrity? Let's explore the marvels of modern organic harvesting technology. Picture a machine that can delicately pluck a ripe tomato without bruising it, then multiply that precision by millions. The harvesting equipment used on America's largest organic farms isn't just big, it's revolutionary. But how do these mechanical marvels maintain the integrity of organic produce while working on an industrial scale? When you're managing thousands of acres of organic crops, traditional farming tools simply won't cut it. Large-scale organic farming requires specialized equipment designed to handle the unique challenges of chemical-free agriculture, yet gentle enough to preserve the quality of delicate organic produce. The differences between conventional and organic farming equipment are striking. While conventional harvesters might rely on chemical defoliants to prepare crops for harvest, organic machines must use mechanical or natural methods. This often means incorporating additional steps or specialized attachments to ensure crops are harvested at peak ripeness without damaging the plants or soil. Custom-built machinery for organic harvests is at the forefront of agricultural innovation. Take, for example, the optical sorting systems now used in many large organic operations. These high-tech marvels use cameras and artificial intelligence to identify and sort produce based on ripeness, size, and quality, all at lightning speed. This technology allows for precise harvesting, reducing waste and ensuring only the best produce makes it to market. Another example is the development of gentler harvesting methods for delicate crops like leafy greens. Some organic farms use air-assisted harvesters that use carefully calibrated bursts of air to lift leaves from the ground before cutting, reducing soil contamination and plant damage. These machines can harvest acres of organic salad greens in a fraction of the time it would take a human crew, all while maintaining strict organic standards. Maintaining organic integrity during harvest is a top priority for these specialized machines. Many are designed with easy-to-clean components and use food-grade lubricants to prevent any potential contamination. Some harvesters even incorporate UV light sanitation systems to ensure cleanliness between fields, reducing the risk of cross-contamination without relying on chemical sanitizers. The efficiency gains from this specialized machinery are remarkable. A single modern organic harvester can often do the work of dozens of hand laborers, significantly reducing harvest times and labor costs. This efficiency is crucial for large-scale organic farms, allowing them to compete with conventional operations while adhering to stricter growing practices. But it's not just about speed. These machines are also improving the quality of organic produce. By harvesting at the optimal time and handling crops more gently, they're helping to extend shelf life and reduce post-harvest losses. This means more organic produce, making it from farm to table in prime condition, benefiting both farmers and consumers. The specialized equipment used in large-scale organic farming represents a significant investment, but for many farmers, it's a necessity. From high-tech optical sorters to gentle air-assisted harvesters, these machines are helping to make organic farming viable on an industrial scale. They're proving that with the right tools, it's possible to produce organic food efficiently and sustainably, even across thousands of acres. As the sun sets on our journey through America's organic giants, we've seen how innovation and technology are reshaping the landscape of organic agriculture. From pest control to quality management, and now to harvesting, these farms are pioneering new ways to produce organic food on a massive scale. But what does this mean for the future of our food system? Let's reflect on what we've learned and consider the implications for farmers, consumers, and the planet. As we've journeyed across America's organic giants, we've witnessed the remarkable transformation of organic farming. These vast operations have redefined what's possible in chemical-free agriculture, tackling challenges from pest control to quality management with ingenuity and determination. American organic farmers are at the forefront of agricultural innovation, developing sophisticated techniques and technologies to meet the growing demand for organic produce. Their dedication to sustainable practices, even on an industrial scale, is reshaping our food system. As organic farming continues to evolve, it raises intriguing questions about the future of agriculture. Can these large-scale organic methods be further refined to increase yields and reduce costs? Will the lessons learned here influence conventional farming practices? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the organic revolution is just beginning, and its impact on our food system will be felt for generations to come.